The era of PCs with AI chips is here, but it comes with a catch. Say goodbye to expanding RAM memory. The new Copilot PCs are shaking things up by integrating memory directly into the processor die. Qualcomm, AMD, and Intel are leading the charge, but this shift poses challenges for upgradability and repairability. Major manufacturers like Lenovo, Dell, HP, and Asus are offering laptops with soldered RAM, limiting your memory expansion options. Opting for higher memory configurations is key for future-proofing your device. While the impact of AI functions on varying RAM capacities is uncertain, having more RAM is always a smart move in this new era of PCs with AI chips.